Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Tableau desktop business inciting software for your business. Download and install for your PC or Mac operating system from official website, a free version. How to download it? So I will show you how to download it. So first of all, we will go to our Chrome browser and search here Tableau desktop search here and open this website tableau.com products desktop. So open this website, analyze and visualize your data business administration. Tableau desktop insight and the speed of business free trial, and Tableau desktop gives you everything you need to access, visualize and analyze your data. With an intuitive drag and drop interface, you can uncover the hidden insight you need to make impactful business decision faster, even when you are offline, all by leveraging trusted and governed data in a secure, self-secure environment. So okay, get the Tableau desktop license here. Want to download professionally, you can select here Tableau prep builder, Tableau creator. Capabilities. The capabilities of the Tableau desktop are power real-time data exploration, live visual analytics, fuel unlimited data exploration, connect to data on-prem or in the cloud, whether it's big data or SQL database, spreadsheet or cloud apps like Salesforce. So these are the insights for your data apps. Get faster, deeper insight, drive smarter decision, share and collaborate securely, and try Tableau for your free. So okay, you can choose to buy the professional version here and download free trial from this link. These are the capabilities. We are using the strength of Tableau to help non-technical users easily ask questions from the data directly instead of having submit a request to our team. Okay. Jumpstart your analysis. Tableau Exchange, Excel data, dashboard extension, connectors. Okay, learn UV, training videos, join the data frame, desktop support, augmented analytics, prep and plans and pricing. Okay, pricing for the Tableau desktop professional variant and free variant is mentioned below. Okay, license types. Tableau creator. The creator Tableau pricing is about $70, and Tableau Explorer, that is about $42 user per monthly. Build manually. Okay, you would need to build it manually every month. That is $42 per month dollars. User per month build manually. Tableau server and Tableau cloud. Tableau server and Tableau cloud for creator, and for explorer Tableau viewer. Tableau cloud, that is pricing is $50 per month, build manually, and that is server $12 per month for manually build. So these are the pricing plan for Tableau and licensing types of Tableau desktop. So we will try to download free trial for our PC. How to download it? We can see here. Try now. It's free trial here, and the Tableau.com will ask us for signing up on this website to start a free trial. So I will download start to sign up. I will put my data about email and username etc. Here organizer. So I put anything, and you need to put official and important information about real information. Job, student, professor, IMA, analyst. Okay, country region, I selected USA. Okay, country region, that is California. Okay, and that is that. No, I will select I on country. So after that I will put my, no, that is wrong number. The actual one is this. Download free trial here. Activate your trial. The setup is going to be download on the save on the desktop. Yes, you can see here the setup of Tableau desktop is going to be downloaded, and this is the full free setup of Tableau desktop for your PC. You can see here the setup MBs is about 575 MBs, half of GB of setup. After that downloading, you will need to open it as administrator and install it into your PC, and use the free trial when for up to 30 days or 14 days or something time is which is allowed to be trial users. Okay, this is about to 575 MB setup, and this is in this way you can also download and install free trial wherein a Tableau desktop for your PC. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel. Thank you so much.